So in today's video, we're going to have two sections where the first section covers the part about Apple's AR glasses, which they are terming as the Apple eyeglass. These are glasses or lenses like what I'm wearing, but with a futuristic touch to it. And Waz will be covering that. So I'm going to leave that to Waz. I go by the name Delpy, and welcome to Delpy and Waz.
What's up guys, the Apple Glass, and I think Apple missed the opportunity to call it the eyeglass. Am I the only one seeing this? It's gonna be $499, but if you come with a prescription, it's gonna be much more than that. Is it out yet? No. When is it gonna be out? We don't know yet, but probably first quarter or third quarter of 2021. But it's going to be announced during the Apple event, during the announcement of the Apple iPhones, during the one more thing section, which is not going to be much of a big deal now as the entire project has been leaked by John Prosser, which Apple is most certainly not happy about. But thanks to him, this is what we know about the device. So you're still a prototype, which is plastic, but says the final product could change to a metallic aluminum build, whatever. It's simple looking, looks like your average glasses, nothing futuristic, nothing special about it. So there's no camera, just a LiDAR sensor to gather depth information of your environment, which is embedded in the frame of the glasses, and the users can't access the data. And since this is the first generation of Apple Glass, Apple is basically telling us, the users, Apple sheep, to smash the like button or dislike button, if you will, and also leave comments to enhance the user experience of the next generation of Apple Glass, just like a YouTube video. And talking about YouTube videos, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and also leave a like and a comment. It's equipped with wireless charging that charges upside down, or in this situation, glass down on its own stand, probably. The displays work on both lenses, not on one corner of one eyeball, which makes it more natural to use than other smart glasses. And we hope the Apple Glass doesn't encounter one of the issues other smart glasses are facing, which is the holographic display becoming out of focus or becomes unclear in the sun, which then you'd have to use sun clips. Finally, the glass will be controlled via gestures on your mobile and also gestures from your hands when they're placed in front of the device. And we just hope they don't look as weird and awkward as the Huawei gestures, but hopefully they'll be better than some other smart glasses that require a loop around your fingers to help in navigating and interacting with the display via Bluetooth. So all in all, if Apple can find solutions to the issues all other smart glasses are facing, like the fit and comfort and the holographic display getting blurry in the sun, then I think this will be one hella eyeglass. Over to you, Delpy.
So yeah, that was Waz and the Apple eyeglass. Let's move into the iPhone 12 series. This year, Apple is set to launch the iPhone 12 series in the month of October. Usually, they'll do it in the month of September. But because of the global pandemic, it has to be shifted or postponed to that month. Now, rumors and sources have it that the iPhone 12 series is coming in 4 variants, which is the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 Max, the iPhone 12 Pro, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let's break down the expected specifications about these devices, starting with the iPhone 12. The iPhone 12 is coming with a 5.4-inch Super OLED Retina display, and it comes with a 4GB RAM coupled with 128GB internal storage as the base model, which is going for $649, and a 256GB internal storage model, which would go for $749. As we all know, the higher the storage, the higher the price. The device is coming with a dual camera setup, just like the recently released iPhone 11, and it's coming with the A14 Bionic chipset, 5G capabilities, and an aluminum body. Now, the aluminum body is in a way that looks similar to the iPhone 5 series, which is the iPhone 5S and the iPhone 5. Moving on, we have the iPhone 12 Max, which is the new addition to the iPhone 12 series. The device comes packed with the same specifications as the regular iPhone 12, but in this case, this one is a bit bigger than that, as the name implies, Max. So the iPhone 12 Max is coming in with a Super Retina OLED display, 4GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage with a price point starting from $749, and 256GB of internal storage with the price point starting at $849. This device is also coming with the same aluminum body, a 5G chip which will support 5G connectivity, and a dual camera setup just like the iPhone 12. So let's move into the Pro variants, the iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Same distinction. The distinction between these ones are also the size, the display size. Now with the iPhone 12 Pro, we are having a Super Retina XDR with ProMotion display, 6GB of RAM coupled with 128GB of internal storage, which is starting at $999, a 256GB of internal storage at the price point of $1,099, and a higher storage capacity of 512GB, which is capped at $1,299. Still comes with an aluminum body like the iPhone 5S, an A14 chip, 5G capabilities, and a triple camera setup with a LiDAR sensor. Now let's move into the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So this is a big guy, same specifications as the iPhone 12 Pro, but a 6.7-inch Super Retina OLED display. Depending on the storage, you are getting a 6GB RAM coupled with 128GB of internal storage as the base model, which is coming in at $1,099, 256GB of storage, which is coming in at $1,199, and 512GB of internal storage, which is coming in at $1,399. I go by the name Delpy, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and share the video for others to get to know about it. Stay safe. Peace out.